Hello friends, it's me Sulesh. Today I'm going to show what is SEO, search engine optimization, why we need to do that, and the machine learning side also, the algorithm and machine learning. SEO means search engine optimization, and it's more connected with the website. So we need to optimize our website search engine friendly. So then only search engine will accept that, or search engine will show your result on search result page. So there are a lot of search engine there, and we will concentrate more Google search engine because Google is the one of the best search engine, and worldwide 95% plus people are using Google search engine. Then another search engine like Yahoo, Bing, where people are searching, that is all search engine, small search engine. Even Facebook, that is also small search engine, people are searching there also. YouTube is the search engine for videos. Here why we need to concentrate Google, because Google, if you know how to handle Google, you can handle any search engines, because other all search engines, they are following what Google criteria. So that's why we need to concentrate Google. So why we need to do the SEO? Because people, maybe they don't know your company. I don't know your company name, I don't know your products, but I want your product. So I will search. For example, I need a product or service. Maybe I will not go and search in Facebook or any other platform. I will search in Google search engine what I need. For example, here I'm going to search digital marketing course. I search here digital marketing course, and Google is giving answer. Google is giving the result, showing result on search engine result page. Different result, I can choose what I need. And when I'm searching digital marketing course, Google is giving answer. For example, I'm asking a question, Google is giving answer, for example. So many result there. Google is giving a lot of result. So this many result Google is giving within millisecond or nanosecond. So it means it's very fast, and Google search engine is one of the very accurate search engine, and that's why people they are using this. When you are searching anything here, so Google will show the result, but there is, you can see some advertisement also, you can see ad. So this is the identity of the advertisement. It's a paid advertisement. The advertiser, for example, the company, they are paying money to Google, and Google is promoting the ad here on the top, or you will see on the bottom section here. And between this you will see some organic result. Organic means it's not paid, it's not an advertisement, it's organic. It means Google, from Google side, they are showing some result here. Okay, that is organic with location map also. Sometimes nearest location map also it will show here, and some result from here. Maybe most of them 10 result on first page, 10 organic result will show, plus location map also. So this is actually the SEO result, search engine optimization. If the company or the website is good with good in SEO, so that website will be on the first page of Google out of this all numbers here. So this is all competitor for digital marketing course, for example. So a lot of competitor there. Then Google will filter this all the competitor, and which one is the best institute or website, that Google will show here on the first page. But the advertisement is who is paying money, they are promoting here. So if you pay money, Google will promote your website or ad here. So that later in the Google advertisement section we will talk. So now we will consider more in organic search and optimization result. So why we need to do this? Because the people, they don't know your brand, your company name. So they will search here what they need. That time your website need to show here. So whatever people are searching here, it's called keyword. The people are searching keyword. It's a keyword. It's not 3 keyword. This is one keyword. Contain 3 words. Digital marketing course, one keyword. So when the people are searching keyword, Google will show the visibility is here. Google will show the result. So now this is total result. We cannot say is all from your current location, that or country that you are searching. For example, I am searching from UAE, so we cannot say it's all from UAE. This is maybe worldwide competitor also, it will come here, but close to first pages, first, second, third, like this, close to first pages, all the pages will be UAE result from UAE. From that, Google will filter again which one is the best one. That Google will show on the first page, and which one is the very best website and company, that Google will start placing from first, second, third, like this, the position. So how we can bring our website, your website or your client website, how we can bring here, that is all about the SEO. So a lot of process, a lot of criteria we need to do there. Then only, it's not like one thing. And also it's not easy part. If it is easy, any company can bring their website here. Everyone is looking for this first page and first position. Why the other company cannot bring here? Because this is the most complicated part in digital marketing, and we need a lot of observation, testing. It's like that. It's something like a scientist job. Scientist, how they are finding out new thing. They do a lot of testing. They will do testing maybe years, then they will find out something, right? So here also there is a lot of testing we need to do, that you will not understand now because we are beginners. So once you are in that level, like you know everything about the SEO, the concept and criteria, then you will understand how we can do testing. Also I will teach how to do testing. So anyway, now I'm searching here digital marketing course. Google is showing digital marketing related result. If I am searching something different, for example, I'm going to search, for example, something like this. So when I'm searching any other product that related to that product, Google will give a lot of result. So this is all paid advertisement. Then down, this organic. So here I'm going to search another. So for example, here I'm searching AutoCAD training. Then you can see this is paid advertisement. So this is the organic result is started here. So now this you can see different websites, nadiatraining.com, time training, different websites there. Also here you can see different website, different institute. It's here. Now you, for example, you have also training institute and you are selling a course. You are selling course digital marketing, AutoCAD, graphic designing, HR related code, IELTS and MS Office, different courses you are also selling. And I'm a user. I just really want to join a digital marketing course. So I'm searching here, I need digital marketing course or digital marketing course in UAE or something like that. I'm searching here. And your website, you are already a training institute, you have already a training institute and you have a website also. If you are not good in SEO, your website will not be here. Even I'm searching from your location, it will not show here. And if you are really not good in SEO, search and optimization, your website will not be anywhere in this list. So it will not be in this list. We need to really do the SEO for our website. Then only at least the search engine will accept your website to this list. So in this way maybe we will not understand, because this is we are just viewing like a user, normal user. We search something here, Google is showing so many result, advertisement, and no one will go to second or third pages. We need to bring our website, the result on first page and first or second, third result. Then only people will click and go to your website. So now imagine your website is already here. When I'm searching for your product, your website Google already showing here. So as a user, I will click and go to the website, your website. Before, I don't know your company, I don't know your website. But now I'm already inside your website. How? Because Google, they given your website result also here. That's why I click, I go to your website. Now I can inquire, I can call, or I can purchase your product. So this is the benefit, and we don't need to pay any money. So these are free, but a lot of hard work there. That all we will discuss later. So this is the concept, but in this way maybe you will not understand properly. So that's why I will show something machine learning side, how this machine, for example, the Google will give a result. So all about machine work. It's a Google server. There's a server like a machine. That machine is actually showing the result here. So how this process, we need to really understand. Then only you can really learn the search and optimization or you will understand. Also even social media, Facebook, Google ads, Facebook social media ads, Facebook, Instagram, whatever the platform, these all machine, there's a machine learning there. Depend on that, the progress or result will come there. If you are posting something in your Facebook, how this post will, your friends will see that, or how you are making an ad promotion. So this ad, how it will go to your targeted audience. This whole machine, actually they are copying your ad to pasting the other people timeline like that account, so they can see. This whole machine is the one working. So we need to understand the machine learning side. Machine learning is not SEO or digital marketing side, it's a completely different. But if you know the machine learning, it will be more easier to understand all the things. It's something like that. You are just operating some machine, or you are operating a machine, and if you know a little bit mechanical side, it's easy to maintain that machine, or easy to operate also, or you can very safely you can operate. For example, if you're driving a car, you need to know how to drive a car, that's all. You can drive. But if you know a little bit mechanical side, you can maintain your car properly, and it will be much better. So same here also, machine side, if you know the machine learning, it will give more result. So for better understanding, I will show some diagram. So let me find, yeah, it's here. This is the diagram I just created to understand. This is Google search engine result page that we saw already here. This is a Google search engine result page. People are using this, people are searching from here. So this part I made it here. Okay, this is the Google search engine result page. People are searching there. For example, people are searching digital marketing course, Google will show a lot of result. Then there will be advertisement, organic result there. So how Google is giving you the answer, how this search engine will give you answer. Anything if you ask, they have answer. Not one, lot of answer there, because the machine is learning. Same like, for example, if you are asking me some question, for example, you are asking me maybe 100 plus 100, 100 plus 100, what is the answer? I will give 200, or I will give any answer. Even is right or wrong, I will give answer. If I give 200, how I know this is 200? Because I learn. So we are learning, that's why we learn already, that's why I calculated and I give answer. So same like that, the machine also, they are learning, there is a learning period. So the machine will learn, then they will give answer like that. So that machine, the server here, the machine is here. And this a lot of server, Google, they have a lot of server, there's so many things there. But imagine just this one box, the server from Google. This machine is actually the giving everything answer. And the front end, this is a front end, the user side. It's very, very user friendly. We search small one box here. There is answers very simple here, this page. But behind this, there's a very high end servers and lot of things here happening inside the backend, the machine side. So now when you're searching from here, actually this all the result is coming from this machine, the server, the answer. But how they collected this all answer? This answer they collected from website or any platform, online platform. They collected this data that is actually showing here. Then time to time it's updating also. It's updating. It's updating means very fast. Google is very fast. They are updating. For example, I'm going to weather in Abu Dhabi. For example, I'm searching weather in Abu Dhabi. It's updated result is showing here. Like that is always they are updating. So how this machine is learning at the beginning time from the website or online platform. For example, we will take a website. So just imagine you have a website. Okay, you have a website. You have different pages in your website. Home page, digital marketing page, graphic design, different page. I will just take it as a model. It's a training institute website. Okay, I just take a model. So it's a training institute website. Training institute website have home page and digital marketing page. What are the course we are doing? Different pages we have. Or maybe you have any website. For example, you have a salon. There is a home page website, and you have different services in salon, like hair section, hair coloring, and nail extension, manicure, pedicure. This all the section. So different service like that. Any website, if it's a maintenance company, home page for maintenance company website, then electrical maintenance, AC maintenance, plumbing maintenance, carpentry, like the different repairing maintenance pages there. So any website, same thing. So now you have already a website. Web designer or a developer, they will make a website. So they will do nice websites, look nice, attractive. But that website, when they make that, it's not enough. Okay, website is nice, everything is colorful, look nice. But the Google, they want to take your website, or they need to accept your website. There is some criteria or policy we need to implement in our website. Then only Google will accept your website to the server. Then only it will show here in search engine when the people they are searching your product or service. Okay, so now we will talk about the criteria. What are the criteria? What are the things you need to do in your website? That later we will talk. So many things there. So just understand there is some policy or criteria we need to implement in our website. That is actually programmer when they do the website, web designer when they create website, they will not do. Maybe sometime one criteria or two criteria they will do. Otherwise they will not do this all. They will make a website and everything they do. But this policy or criteria from Google or search engine, normally they are not doing. So that is our work to do that. So that is the criteria. So now just imagine our website, your website, you didn't do any SEO criteria from Google, but you have very nice website, it's running, people are browsing, it's okay, but you didn't do the criteria. So what will happen? The Google server need to learn from your website. Okay, so how they will learn? This machine is already fixed, the server is already fixed at one place. So how this machine is learning from this all the website and they are collecting data? The machine has support. So support, who is supporting? Robots, online robots. It's a software robots, Google bots or Google robots, crawling robots. So different name people are calling. So this is Google bots, Google robots. It's a software robots. These robots, Google server have lot of robots, different type of robots. So these robots will go to the website and they will learn from here. Okay, this Google bots, for example, Google bots will go to your website and they will learn your website. But when they go to your website, if you didn't do any criteria for the SEO, maybe they will not even learn from your website, they will go back. That's why we need to implement the criteria first. So just now imagine you already did the criteria, the policy from Google, one by one you did. Again, the criteria still we don't know what it is. That we will learn later. So now no need to worry about this criteria. Just imagine your criteria is already done. The policy from Google, everything is done in your website. So, okay. So now if in this case, when the robots will go to your website from Google server, the robots will go to your website. After the criteria is okay, what they will do, they will start learning from your website. So that learning process, the technical word, crawling. Okay, we call crawling. So the robots will crawl your website. It means they will learn. How they will learn? Page by page. For example, this home page. So they will start crawling your home page. Okay, something like this. They will start from top. They will read everything, scan the image, everything, each and everything they will check in your website, they will learn. Okay, whatever it's in the home page. After, once they finish home page, for example, the home page they done, they will download a file from home page for your website or any website. They will download one file. Then for example, this is another page, one product or service. Now this is a digital marketing course page, for example, in our website. So they will start crawling digital marketing page or your product page. After they finish the crawling, they will download another file. Like this, each pages they will crawl separately, and they will download different file from different page. It's not like one file for entire website. No, each pages they will download different file. These robots, okay, once they're done crawling, all this file they will bring to the Google server. Okay, the robots will bring the file to Google server. So server will receive that file. That is called indexing. Indexing means Google server, they accepting your file. They are accept already your file from the robots. So who is your website and Google server? Google, who is between these robots? They are the one coming and crawling your file or website. They will bring it here. So now Google already index your website file pages. Indexing already done. So it means the file already inside the server. Now once the file is here inside the Google server, the machine, Google server, still the learning is not done. The robots, they crawl everything and they bring the file here. Still the machine learning will start. The server still learning your file. It means your file is already here. Your website file is already here. For example, today you already did your criteria, and the Google robots came and take your file, and your file already here in Google server today. Someone searching for your product or service from Google search engine, someone searching here, this file will not go here. This file will not go here because the robots, they just bring the file and Google they index. Server is indexed already, but the server still learning, machine learning still continuing. Same time it will not show. Maybe after some days, 1 week later only it will start showing somewhere in the Google search engine. So this will take maybe maximum 3 months also to complete the machine learning. Maybe after 3 months only your file will go somewhere in this list. Okay, somewhere, even the last page, for example, after 3 months only. So 3 months maybe it will take maximum. Maybe after 1 week sometime it will show, go to the result. So now once you finish the criteria, the policy in your website, we cannot say same day the robots will come and take your file. We cannot say that. Maybe after 1 month, 2 months, or 1 week, or 5 months, when the Google robots will find your website, that time only they will crawl and take your file. Okay, imagine you did already the criteria in your website. After maybe 5 months, Google they find your website and they crawl. They take the file here. 5 months already finished. The file already here. After file already here inside the server, then maybe it will take 3 months more learning period. So almost 7-8 months. It's already only for learning. We waste that much time. So that's why I will give some technique here later, how you can make this process more faster. It means once you finish already your criteria in your website, then same time we can request to Google server directly. We will request to Google to send the robots. So same time they will send the robots, and the robots will crawl your website. The file will be here. Within 1 or 2 days, your file will be inside the server. So that I will show the technique later. So imagine your file already here. Once your file is here inside the server, then if someone searching, for example, your keyword, for example, you have a different file, home page, digital marketing page, different product pages, your file also here. So someone searching, for example, your one product keyword, for example, digital marketing course, someone searching here. So the Google server will filter all the file related to digital marketing course. That is actually here. You can see when the when someone searching your keyword, Google they taken all the matching file means which file is related to digital marketing, all the file Google taken from the server, and Google will take your file also. But we cannot say your file will come on the first page or second page. Maybe your file will be somewhere in this list, somewhere, maybe last page. So, but you already success in first step of SEO, because at least Google is considering your website file. If someone searching your product or service, Google taking your file also. Maybe no one will see also here. We cannot also even find where it is, because in Google search result page, Google will show the page as a result, maybe 100 or 200, some result only it will show. Everything will not show there. This many file Google pick from there, that's only it will show. So that also later I will give some tool to find out how you can track which one, where is your position. If you are already on first page, very easy to check, your website will be here in first page. But otherwise, if you are in somewhere, your position is in 200 page or 300, that is a page position, we cannot find out that from some other tool we can find where is your position, what are the keyword it's already working, and what are the pages is working, which position. So many things we can really get the analytics. So that later I will show the tool. So this is actually the concept, that someone searching, your result need to show on first page, but beginning time somewhere. That is the first step. Then after that, you need to rank your website. Ranking means you need to bring your website file or result to first page. So that is another process for ranking, still in SEO. So how we will do the ranking? All the file, Google will give some points. It's like someone searching digital marketing course, Google is showing so many files. This is one file from one training institute, this another file from another training institute. So these all are different file, this many file there. But Google is giving a ranking from the first, second, third, like first page, second page, like that. Google is giving ranking depending on what is the plus point they have in their file. So how we will get the plus point? So there is so many things there. So that all you done already. If you have already for your website, then only Google will rank. So then it will come to the first page. We don't know how long it will take, depending on your competitor. Your competitor is very strong. We need to overtake one by one competitor to bring our website on first page. It's like a really hard work and a lot of technique we need to use to overtake the competitor. Okay, so you are maybe doing some racing or car racing competition. So if you want to overtake another car, you need to do more than that car speed, right? You need to increase your speed, then only you can overtake. Something like that, you need to overtake one by one competitor. How you can do? You need to do more than them, something extra, then only Google will give more plus point to overtake another competitor. So that all we will discuss very detailedly later. So here in search engine optimization, there is mainly two different part, two section there in search engine optimization. That is on page SEO, off page SEO. Okay, on page search engine optimization. On page means we are on our page, on website. Okay, whatever we are doing criteria or whatever we are doing inside our website, that is on page. Okay, before I mention, there is some criteria, right? Sorry, some policy we need to do in our each page in our website. So that is on page, on our page we are working. That's on page optimization. There is a lot of things. Then after off page optimization, more about the ranking. You need to have more plus point for your website. Then only you can rank your website on Google first page or any search in first page. So how to do that? That is the off page technique. But if you don't know how to do on page, you are just doing off page only, you cannot rank your website. First on page, you need to do everything properly, then only this will help. So these are the main two things here. So first we need to learn completely the on page. It will take some time. Then after that off page. So this is once you finish complete SEO on page and off page, then only you will get really the complete picture what is SEO. Then only you will understand properly. I hope it's clear. And this is again, I make a Google search in result page. Just I make a diagram here, exactly this one, the Google search result page. So now here, people when they are searching, they will get maximum 4 advertisement. This is a paid advertisement, maximum 4 paid ads on the top section. Then bottom section also maybe 2 or 3 ads, paid advertisement you can see. Then you can see another page, second, third page, like that. Then between this there is some maybe nearest location map will come. Then there is organic SEO result, maximum 10 result SEO. This is one search result page. If you go to second page, same like that, some organic result, some advertisement, like that. But second page we don't need, we need a first page. That is our goal. Then only people will find who will go to second page. And here normally the analytics saying that the ads, the paid advertisement, less than 30% people only they click on paid advertisement. 70+% people are clicking on organic, the SEO. That's why the benefit of SEO, we are not paying anything here. And a lot of people are clicking on the search engine optimization result. So you will get a lot of traffic, you will get really business if your website is on Google first page. Automatically you will get the business. So that is actually the goal from our side. But when you are doing a SEO, it's not only that. Everyone telling that why we need to do the SEO, we need to bring our website on first page. That is the main goal, but there is a lot of benefit extra you will get. That all you will know when you finish complete digital marketing course. And if you're really interested to do complete digital marketing course, you can contact me, so I will help for that. So now I'm just going to show more about Google server. So Google has a server, and that server is the one sending robots, and robots will crawl your website, then they will index. That all we know. Again, I'm giving a very simple way to understand this. So here this server, they have their own criteria that we need to implement in our website. We need to follow that, then only they will give you plus point. If you're doing wrong, they will give a lot of minus point, or sometimes Google will block your website also. That's why we need to know what we can do or what we cannot do. Both we need to know. That both I am teaching later, how we will improve and without getting any minus point. When I started SEO 2010, that time, there is not that much criteria there. Just you need to do something in your website, like some keyword you need to add. That's all for SEO. But after that, the Google, they updated their server and they make more policy and criteria you need to have in your website. Then only they will accept. Before it was not like that. Very simple criteria, but people, they did a lot of spamming things to get the ranking. It's something like in social media, Facebook, Instagram, people are buying followers, like that, like, comment, people are buying. It is not the right, it's a fake one, fake follower, like that. It's illegal, but a lot of people are doing that. Before also they did, and maybe Facebook or Instagram, they are not doing anything before, but now it's not like that. If you're doing any shortcut, definitely the Facebook or Instagram, they will remove that all fake follower. If they understand you are doing, then they will block your business page. So the same thing, Google also, a lot of people, they did something like spamming part. A lot of agency also they are doing before to rank a website. Maybe the agency or someone, they don't know how to do work on SEO. They just pay money to some illegal tool, and the tool will rank. They will do some shortcut to rank, but it's not long time. A long time it will not get. Maybe after 1 or 2 months, 3 months, it will block. That's why I will not recommend to do any shortcut or anything. You will do all normal way, we will work. Then only it will really, you will get benefit. Otherwise, this all will go spamming, and also your website also lifetime, it will go blacklist. That's why we will not do anything wrong. We will just follow Google, what Google they are saying, or what are the criteria. We will follow everything. So now this server, when the Google they updated, they implemented so many a lot of criteria. So this server, there is a name for this server. The name is Google Panda. So the name is Google Panda. Okay, Google Panda is a server name. It's a Google Panda. It's a just name. It's an animal name they given. It's for that server. Before I was talking about the server. This server is the one sending robots, and they will index like that, crawling and indexing. So this server name is Google Panda. Google Panda server have their own robots. That robots is actually going and checking all the criteria in your website. They are doing auditing. After they will crawl everything, take the file here. So whatever the criteria we are going to do, that is for Google Panda. Google Panda algorithm. So this algorithm implemented 2011, but when they implemented, it's not so many criteria there. It's like a small criteria only. But now we have a lot of things. Later we will learn that. Whatever we are going to do next, this is for Google Panda. Otherwise, Google Panda will give -point to your website, or Google Panda will not accept your website. Okay. So before Google Panda, there was some option there, like how you can rank your website. Long time before, like 2010 that time. It means you need to add some keywords in your website. Then if someone search, your website will go here. Or you need to have some plus point also. How you can get the plus point? How many people are visiting your website? Depend on that. You will get the plus point. So how many people? A lot of people are visiting your website. You will get more plus point. This story is before and not now. Long time before. So that is actually that way Google is giving ranking. For example, for your website, you already added a keyword. Keyword means who is searching about your product or service, like digital marketing course, digital marketing training. So all are keywords, right? So if you add keyword to your website, that page, and also a lot of people are visiting your website, and if someone searching your keyword, you will be on the first page. Because other competitors, they have less only, maybe the plus point. So what people they did spamming before, they put already the keyword in the website, and they want to get more traffic. Traffic means people are visiting website. So they want to get more traffic to the website. Not more people need to visit. So what they did before, the technique, they are checking what is trending. Trending means what people are searching. So many people are searching currently. That keyword they will add in website. Maybe it's nothing related to the website. For example, I have website is digital marketing course. My website is digital marketing course. That is the page. And I want to get more people visit this website. Maybe I will add some trending keyword in my website. Trending keyword, I will give example. For example, one new movie already released just today. It's a very famous and popular, and a lot of people are searching for that all over the world. A lot of people are searching the movie name, watch online, download, something like that. So what I did, I opened my website like editing section, and I put keyword. I tell to developer to put a keyword like that movie name, watch online, download, something like that. I put keyword. But my website page is not the movie. This is a digital marketing or some product website. So when I add this keyword movie, that movie name, watch online, like that, lot of people all over the world, when they search, my website will be on the first page because I have only that keyword. And people will click and go to my website. They will check where is the movie, nothing. They will go maybe different pages and check. After they will close and go. So I got lot of traffic to my website. Lot of people are visiting. Then next time someone search for my product, because my keyword also I will add in my website, digital marketing course or something like that, related to my product. So when there are people searching my product, that time also I will be on the first page. Because I have a lot of plus point, because a lot of people they visited. But I did a lot of wrong things because I did the keyword what is trending. It's not related to my website. And before Google really don't have any updation or server to find out this whole things long time before. And a lot of people when they're searching something here, a lot of fake result is showing here before. Maybe you guys also experienced that. When you're searching something, you will click on that, this completely spamming website like that. But nowadays it's not like very accurate. Google search engine result page is very accurate and right result is showing. And before it's not like that. So a lot of people complained, and Google really want to fix this problem. So that's why they implemented new server or new update, Google Panda. When the Google Panda implemented, they start catching who is doing this spamming things. And 20+% website they block from the Google server, which one they are ranking before here on first page. Google block because they are doing a lot of spamming. And 80% of website they already remove the ranking, the position, they go second, third pages. Then Google Panda, they implemented their own criteria. If your website the server need to accept, you need to do different criteria and policy in your website. Okay, if you done that, then only the Google will accept. The Google Panda, for example, will accept your file, your website. Okay, that Google Panda is one of the server that on page optimization. Before I mentioned here on page optimization, off page optimization. This on page optimization, whatever the criteria, this Google Panda server or algorithm, that robots is the one checking for all the on page. Okay, on page optimization. So now you are really good in on page optimization. Google Panda server, Google Panda will give you your website more ranking or more plus point. So many criteria there, that all we will discuss how we will do the criteria or policy, how we can do in our website. That all detail we will learn later. Okay, now off page optimization. People, they cannot do anything in like a spamming in on page in the website, because Google Panda already implemented, they are catching. So people cannot do anything. Then people start doing like spamming outside. So I will come to that point. Before that, Google was giving whatever the update, whatever the policy you need to do in your website, they are giving before what you need to do in your website. But nowadays, almost 2-3 years now, Google is not giving anything. How the Google they are filtering, or how the Google they are giving a ranking to the website. So Google Panda is giving update what are the policy you need to do in your website to rank before they are giving. But almost 2-3 years now, they are not giving that much update what you need to do in your website, the criteria or policy. Why they are not giving? Because Google, if they give, or if they are telling how they are filtering a website on the first page, what are the things you need to do, if the people they know that, people still trying to do some shortcut, people are still trying to do some illegal tool and all this, they are trying to do this ranking or fake ranking. That's why Google is not telling that how they are giving a ranking. Then how we will find out? There is actually our work as a SEO specialist. What the specialist they do, they will do testing. They will do something in the website, or they do so many things in the website. After they will observe Google is giving minus point or plus point, like that. So when they do testing, then they will understand Google they like or don't like. If Google is giving plus point, then they understand, okay, this is working. If Google is giving minus point, then we will understand Google don't like this. Like that we need to do testing. But this testing is not like 1 or 2 days we will do. It's like a month. We need to observe and check, then only we'll understand. That's why it's a really hard work here. So this is all advanced level I'm talking. As a beginner, we don't need to do this all now, but I'm just giving an idea only. So if you do testing, then only now we can understand how I know this. I'm going to teach you what are the criteria, what are the things you need to do in your website so that Google can give a plus point and accept your website. How I'm giving, I do testing, then I understand. So if I do testing, then not only one time, I'll do so many testing, then I will 100% I am sure about that, then only I will share here with everyone. Okay, so that is all about on page optimization overview. Now off page optimization, there how to get the ranking plus point to your website. So people they start doing some spamming things for ranking, off page optimization. So people they just paying money to tool, and they are trying to get the plus point for website. This type of things people start doing. So Google want to solve this problem also. Google need to catch this type of spamming. So they implemented another update in Google server. So that is Google Penguin. Okay, Google Penguin, it is another update. Okay, then just imagine this another server, for example. So what is Google Penguin work? Google Penguin, all their responsibility to check the off-page optimization or off-page related link or ranking. So we will learn more about this later. So the people, how they are getting plus point, it's the right way they are getting or wrong way, like that. The Google Penguin robot will check. More about like backlinks and all this stuff later we will discuss. So if you are doing anything spamming off-page site, you will get huge minus point. It's not like Google Panda. If you're doing something wrong in your own page, inside your website, and Google Panda will give minus point, but maybe after you clear your website, you can recover from that within 3 months, like that. But Google Penguin, if they give you for your website minus point, it's a huge minus point they will give. Sometimes they will block your website, or if you get a lot of minus point from Penguin, and it will take time to recover also. That's why it's a very sensitive platform. You really need to know what you need to do and what you cannot do. Because why I'm saying that, because a lot of people, they are teaching wrong things now. You do these things, that things, your website will rank. But when you do that, Google will block your website. Imagine you are working in a company, or you got a new job in a company and you did something like this. Company website Google block. So what will happen? Your job also, they will terminate you, right? That's why we need to be very careful here doing each step. So I will teach each and everything one by one, what you need to do, what you cannot do here. So this is all overview for search engine optimization, SEO. So this is one of the very important module. And as a digital marketing expert, maybe you need to know the overview, what are the things here. If you are really interested on SEO and you want to be a SEO specialist, you need a lot of practice and work. Minimum 1 year required for practice only to do this, try to rank. Because when you rank a website, if you rank a website, then only you will get a confidence. At least one website you rank on Google search in first page, then only you will understand from your inside that you will get a confidence that you can do. And you need to practice again, observing, testing, lot of things we need to do, then only you will get the result. For now, in this video, it's all about overview for the search engine machine side, and later we will do one by one the criteria, everything about the SEO. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching, and if you still didn't subscribe the channel, just subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I am uploading new video. Again, thanks for watching. Take care. See you on next video.